I am doing an unboxing for the Spellbinders October kit. Because it is so jam-packed, I am going to go ahead and do an unboxing, which I don't usually like to do, but I don't want to take up time during the actual process video to go through the content. So I'm just going to go through them really quick just so you can see exactly what comes in the kit. Again, it's jam-packed. It's $35 for the card kit, and for this month, which is October, it's kind of a watercolor theme. So you get this paper pad. It's got 2 of each design, so there are 40 6x6 sheets of paper. Absolutely beautiful paper. So here's this first one, and I've kind of flipped through this a couple of times. Here is the next sheet. Again, really pretty. We've got a floral there. We've got some foil dots on this one. Then we've got some circles with kind of like water circles with some wording. And then some really light script or typewriter font, it looks like. Then we've got watercolor stripes, really pretty grid paper with some butterflies, and then some watercolor marks. And another watercolor background. And kind of like a green grid. And then some butterflies with some faint little watercolor splotches in the background. And then this just has some scripty writing. And this one has scripty writing also. I think this one is gorgeous. The flowers, the watercolor flowers, and then little splotches in the background. Just really pretty. I'm going to open my window, maybe you could see a little bit better. And then we've got another foil piece, and then this really super cute group of group of houses. And then another sort of like a grid pattern, not grid pattern, but like a geometric pattern with a watercolor background. And another super pretty floral watercolor. And then kind of just a pattern paper. More floral. This just looks like a map. And then we're back to the beginning. And then it comes with this blue trim. It's probably about a yard. So it's kind of like a baby blue color with the little balls on it. I just call it trim. I have no idea what that's called actually. And you get your 10 cards, 10 envelopes, a piece of silver thread. Of course, you've got your foam squares, your double-sided adhesive, and the stamp set, where it's got a little like terrarium. I think that's what that's called when you put plants in it. And then these different florals, and then the sentiment. Then you've got this gorgeous sticker sheet. So these first ones are dimensional. I absolutely love this one right here. Then you've got some sentiments and words with some watercolor splotches in the background. And then you've got these transparent stickers with more sentiments. So a ton of different sentiments you can use. You've got 7 journaling cards, which are perfect for quick and easy, 2-minute cards if you're in a rush. Really pretty watercolor, so they're double-sided. This says "You are loved." Really pretty floral on the back. That's kind of got a grid pattern. So it all coordinates really very well. Absolutely love these houses. They're so cute. And this is probably my favorite card right here. This says "This is my flock," and it has these really pretty watercolor birds. And then that's the other side of that. And then we've got 5 tags. These are kind of a glossy front. I don't know if you can tell that. So we have this one, that one, all sorts of uses. So this one says "Celebrate," and this has got a flamingo on it. Here's the little inspiration card, which comes in every kit. So it just has some ideas for what you can do. Then we've got these epoxy, they're saying they're epoxy stickers, but these are actually buttons. So they've got like this dimensional back but they are buttons if the epoxy part pops off. There we go. So you can see they're just like wood buttons with an epoxy design in the middle, but super cute. And then we've got some copper sequins. I don't know if you can see those very well. We've got some copper sequins. And then the rest is the die cut pack or the ephemera pack. I'm going to go ahead and take this white piece of paper and set these out. So I'm going to pause it real quick so that you don't have to watch me set all these. There are a bunch. So this is the first set of, just the first set that I'm showing. So these are all the die cut pieces. There are a bunch. They are super cute. And then you've got this tag also that's included that has this pop. You can either partially pop this out or take the whole thing out or leave it in. So that's super cute. But lots of cute little tickets. And as a reminder, you get 2 of each of these. So the kit comes with duplicates of all of the die cuts, and it is a ton. So here's the next grouping. A lot of them have the gold foiling around the edges or as accents. So really super cute butterflies. These houses are adorable. And you'll notice when I show you the die set, follows along with that theme, and this also matches a piece of that pattern paper. So this is the next grouping. So here we are. This is the last of the die cut pieces. Some florals, some more sentiments, and watercolor pieces. Just absolutely gorgeous. So as you can tell, there are a bunch of pieces. The next is the die set that comes with the card kit. So here's the house, and there are several different pieces. There's the roof, and then you've got some little window die cuts here, and a little fence, and some florals. So there's a little leaf and a little flower set that you can put, and then we've got 2 of these feathers. This is the door, and then you've got a door frame, and then you've got this kind of triangle piece which goes right here. This is the only piece. I'm not exactly sure what this is. I don't know if it's just a different window style maybe. That's probably what it is. And then you've got this little kind of decorative piece right there. So that is what comes in those are the dies that come with the card kit, and I believe this says, it says celebrate. So those are the dies, and dies come in every Spellbinders card kit. And then lastly, but not least, is the paper. So these are 8.5 by 11 sheets. Really pretty copper piece. Kind of a mustard yellow, a navy blue, a pink, then we've got an olive green, and a really pretty like ocean blue color, a piece of white, and then a piece of black. That is what comes in the card kit. If you've watched my videos before, you know I also get the small die of the month, and for the month of October, the small die of the month is Thanksgiving themed or fall themed. So this is a small die of the month for October, and here's the example. So you get this acorn top. It's really decorative, and then you've got the acorn bottom portion right here, and then you can just use it like that, or if you want, you can put the sentiment in, which says hello fall. And then you've got the words Thanksgiving and happy, right? H-A-P-P-Y. Okay, yeah, happy Thanksgiving. It's a sentiment. And then you've also got this cute wishbone die which says give thanks. So this is the small die of the month right here. And if I do a video on this, I will probably do it separate, because I think what I want to try and do for this month's card kit is to be able to show exactly how much you can make with everything that is included, which I'm not going to be able to show the process for each item that I make, but I want to try and see if I can use up all of the items that come in the kit, which is going to be hard because there is so much. At any rate, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you are interested in these products, I will leave links below as always. And I hope you'll come back and join me for the projects and cards that I do make with this kit. And I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you later. Thanks so much.